hindi talaga magbo-boom yung videos natin if meron tayong tatlong mindsets na ganito. So here are 3 bad beliefs na kailangan kong ayusin para mas productive ako sa paggawa ng content. Number 1 is kailangan perfect bago mag-post kind of thinking. I used to think talaga na kailangan polish yung ginagawa ko, na kailangan perfect, and kailangan maganda talaga pagkakagawa. Only to end up having 1 video per day. And for me, that once more, I can see na meron talagang mali sa mga ginagawa ko. Ito naman yung number 2. Hindi nila ako gagawa kasi wala namang nanonood. Sayang lang ang effort. Dati-rati talaga, I used to believe na no one cared about my content. But when I started myself to being more vulnerable, to be less perfect, and to be seen as more authentic, dun ko na-figure out na every videos that I post is a step toward the right audience na gusto kong i-attract and gusto kong i-reach out. And last but not the least is dapat mag-viral agad. 1 video pa nga lang yung nagagawa ko, gusto ko viral agad. Yan talaga yung mindset ko. Na I think if nakaka-relate ka rin, kailangan natin talaga tong baguhin. I really used to expect instant results sa mga ginagawa ko. And kapag hindi, na-frustrate talaga ako. As a content creator kasi, our mindset plays a huge role on how to be consistent and how to be confident, especially on showing up dito sa internet. But many of us start with a bad belief or bad mindset, and that's the reason bakit nag-hold back tayo sa mga bagay-bagay. But ikaw ba? Let me know your thoughts dyan sa comment section. Save mo na rin tong video na to and follow me for more so that I can see you tomorrow.